Hello and welcome to another JoomlaForBeginners.com video tutorial. My name is John. In this tutorial we're going to continue our VirtueMart series. This is the very first thing we should do after we install the main VirtueMart component. You'll see that we're starting with a fresh copy of Joomla 1.5.8 and we have installed the VirtueMart component and added it to our menu. We've also taken the opportunity to install the sample data that's included with the VirtueMart product. Now, we're logged in to the back end of this particular website as a super administrator, and we're starting out in our control panel. If you haven't done so already, the very first thing that needs to be done is for us to install the VirtueMart main module. We're going to go to the pull-down menu at the top, choose Extensions, Install, Uninstall. We're going to browse our local hard drive for that main module that we're talking about. You can see we've downloaded the package from the virtuemart.net. We're going to choose the main module, mod_virtuemart_1.1.2.j15. Choose Open and Upload File and Install. This zip errors we need not worry about. That's something on my server. It says the installation of the module was a success. From here we'll go directly to our module manager and we'll choose the VirtueMart module that we just installed. Now we're going to choose to edit the properties. We're going to enable this, and you can see along the left we'll be going through all of these and menu options as well. The most important thing is that we simply get this published for now, and it's going to be published on all pages for our exercise. We're going to choose Save. We're going to pop back over to the front end and refresh our screen. We will see the new main VirtueMart module on the left hand side. In its default setting it lists each category as a link. You can jump straight to this. I know that there's subcategories under Power Tools for outdoor and indoor, and this is an unlimited amount of depths as far as retail goes. After installing this, we'll go back to the back end and go to the control panel. We need to make some Joomla global configuration changes to make sure that the VirtueMart product works the best that it can. We're going to start by going into the global configuration, and on the system menu the first thing we'll look at is the user settings. We'd like to set this to allow user registrations, and would like to change the new user account activation to no. Now this is just a personal choice. It's one that I like to make. This basically allows your shopper to register silently without having to stop the shopping cart and go back to their email and confirm their email address. This way it keeps them in the funnel to get your payment made for the products they're purchasing. So we're going to change this to no. We'll scroll over. I like to choose Apply here. We're going to look at the Server Information tab. Something that's also important for you to check out are your mail settings. You need to make sure that your mail settings are working prior to installing the VirtueMart, because it uses the Joomla global mail settings to send mail to and from everyone that's involved. Once you're done with that and you save your work, you'll be done. And that's how we do our Joomla global configuration and install the VirtueMart main module. In the next tutorials we'll be editing our store information and a lot more.